Hello children, today we are going to study class 5 science, and please turn back and come to page number 50. So today we are going to deal with the topic that is dispersal of seeds. So first of all, you people need to understand what is dispersal. What does this word means? So actual dispersal means that spread, okay, spreading of anything, okay. So here we are using dispersal words for dispersal of seed. It means the scattering, spreading of seeds. As you know that the plant that exhibit sexual mean of reproduction, there they reproduce by the means of seeds, okay. So in order for reproduction, for the production of more plants, seeds need to be spread, okay. And for that the nature use different medium, okay. Different medium means different ways, okay. It can be wind, it can be water, it can be birds, animals, human beings, okay. So in this way the nature is dispersing the seeds to different parts, to different area, so that the production of the new plants or production of the more of its parental plant can be done. So today we are going to discuss the different mediums by which the nature is spreading the or dispersing the seeds, okay. So the scattering or the spreading of seed away from the parent plant is known as the seed dispersal, okay. When the seeds are being dispersed away from the parent plant on which it was born, so it is going to get separated, get away from the parent plant, okay, to different areas, and that way it is known as the seed dispersal. So the nature, as I told you, that nature use different agents for the spreading of seeds. So the first agent is wind, okay. Dispersal of seeds by winds. So the wind can disperse only those seeds that are small and lightweighted, okay. So this kind of dispersal of seed can be seen only in the plants that have very small seeds, plus the weight of the seed is very negligible, very less. Only that kind of seeds the wind can spread, okay. And it is common in the plants papaw and dandelion, okay. So in these plants the seeds is being spread out by the wind. Now the second is dispersal by water. So in this plants, in this medium, the water is spreading the seeds, okay. So water is dispersing the seeds and fruits. So this kind of dispersal is seen in the coconut plant, okay. So what is happening? The seed is fall down into the water sources and the water flows from one area to another, and in this way the seed is being moved from one area to the other area, okay. So it's a very very great way of spreading of the seeds. Along with the water, the seed it's being flown away, and wherever it reaches the shore, there can the plant can can produce, okay. Now the another medium is dispersal by animals. So animals, all of you seen, it can be any animal, okay. Dog, rat, rabbit, cat, giraffe, elephant, any animal, any animal, okay. So different nature's agents, that means different animals can spread the seeds of the different plants, okay. So what happens? Animals, bird, human beings, we all of us, we eat fruits now. So what is happening? We eat the fruit, and what does it do? We just throw away the seeds, okay. For example, in the seasons of mangoes, you people eat mangoes now, but what you eat only flesh, you leave the seed portion. And when we just throw the seed, what happen? When the condition will turn favorable, that seed will grow into a new plant, okay. For example, you eat lychee, you are going to eat the fleshy portion only. The seed you throw away now, that seed will germinate into a new plant. In this way the seed is being dispersed by the animals, okay, human beings. So many animals, what they have hooks, spines, or thorns, or and hair. So what happens, you have seen squirrel, okay, its body is covered with the so much of hairs now. So what happened, the seed, when any seed fall on its body, it's going to be stuck there, and when it move from one portion, one tree to another tree, from one area to another area, that's growing, the seed is going to spread away to different direction, different ways, okay. Example, xanthium, tiger nail, spear grass, okay, these are the animals, okay. The seed stick to their furs, feathers, okay. For example, birds, they sit on different trees. Some of the seeds that are minute seed, they are going to stick to their bodies, and when they move from one place to another, what is going to happen, that seed is going to be thrown away, okay. Now small seeds of fruits like cherries, berries can be passed. What happened, the different animals eat these fruits, they eat the seeds also, and when they digest the food, and along with the fecal matters, the seed is also being dumped out, and from that seed the new plant can germinate. Now dispersal by explosion. So what is happening in fruits of some of the plants like okra, papaya, beans, what is happening, they burst open. You must have seen this. What happened when the fruits get over matured, it's get too mature, then it's burst open, okay, and you can see the seed present inside that very fruit. From in this way, the seed is being spread out. When the wind will blow, it will take away the seed and it will spread it to the different areas, and in this way the seed is being distributed, and this medium is known as the dispersal by explosion, okay. So children, hopefully you must have been able to understood all these things, okay. Dispersal means spreading of the seeds by different mediums of nature, that can be wind, water, animals, human beings, birds, okay. Now you can see in page number 51, this is time to recall, this is choose the correct option, okay. You have to complete this, that is your homework for today. Thank you children.